Hello everyone, welcome to this week's edition of the Fibonacci Review. Today I'm looking at the FTSE, the UK 100, and what we're going to see here is a fabulous example of the Fibonacci series in price and in time, giving us important clues about the next trend or direction in a market. Now when we look at this chart, there was a very important low, the major low here, October 2022. The previous all-time high was here February 17, 2023, and the market's trading in between those 2 points. Now, when I see that, and we see the market pull back significantly, we can use the Fibonacci retracement tool to find significant price levels and watch them in the future to see what the market does when it gets close to these levels. So inside my tools here, we have the Fibonacci retracement tool. We're going to put that on the major low and we're going to bring it up to the significant peak. And what we're doing here is looking at the Fibonacci ratio 76.4, 61.8, 38.2, 23.6, included the 50%, not a Fibonacci ratio, but a very important level just the same. And as long as the market's trading below this top and above this low, we can then just drag this across to the right-hand side and watch what the market does. Now you'll notice that the significant low here in March is a 61.8% golden harmonic ratio pullback from the top. And we can see that we get support again through here in July of 23, again through here in August of 23. The market ran up to the 23.6 and started to reject that. Another significant resistance here in September of 23 against the Fibonacci ratio. Again, resistance again, the Fibonacci ratio, December of 2023. The market starts to pull back. Now, what we have here is a very significant basing pattern. What we're saying here is that the lows of the market are getting consecutively higher. In other words, a stock is being sold off and offered for sale. There are buyers picking it up. And as the stock is offered for sale, buyers are picking it up. Now it's starting to get very, very clear that the buyers are well and truly of a mind that this market will run higher because as it's offered, they're in a clamor to pick it up. Finally, the last little move through here, again around the 23.6, 1, 2, 3, 4 higher lows. When it breaks above 7,800, you can see here very quickly a run of 200 points almost straight up. Now, what was also interesting around this low is that we had a very significant number in time. One of the things that W.D.Gann told us was time was more important than price, and he was starting time counts from all of these major points. This top, this bottom, this top, this bottom, this bottom, this bottom, this bottom. And he would just keep these time counts running to watch what the market does. Now, if we do that, and we can do that several ways in this fabulous software package from Optima, but just for time in the video today, if we take a time factor and we go from this significant low, October of 2023, and bring it up to this low up through here, you can see that's exactly 144 calendar days from this low. This was a 1, 2, 3, 4 day counter trend, a very typical movement against the trend. We're at the Fibonacci level. We've got a basing pattern here. Everything suggests if this market starts to find support, it is very likely to have a significant rally because it will finally break through these previous major resistance points at this Fibonacci level. So it's understanding how markets work, looking for price, support and resistance, looking for time, support and resistance, and then allowing the market to confirm what you think it's likely to do. And as you can see, we've got up to the previous all-time high. There's always some kind of reaction there. That's nothing unusual. And now it looks like it's attempting to break through and get to higher prices. So I hope that makes sense. Of course, any questions or queries, you're welcome to send them through. See you again next week with another look at this fabulous Fibonacci technique in trading. Bye for now.